Welcome to our latest project in Diamond Creek, Victoria, where the team from Ryan Developments is installing our Spantec subfloor system in this 4-bedroom tri-level home.
Now you're probably wondering, what is this? Now this is essentially a box span produced by Spantec and forms part of the Spantec subfloor system that we have behind me. It's an engineered subfloor. Spantec have actually engineered the entire subfloor for us in this case.
After finalising the initial scope with the builder, we developed preliminary drawings and a detailed estimate. Once approved, we progressed to a full construction drawing set, including complete engineering certification for the substructure, including footings and bracing.
In a project like this, where you've got multiple levels on an enormous site cut, this really is a fantastic product to work with. With a typical building process, we would have concrete stumps in the subfloor, and we would normally have posies or some sort of LVL that would sit on top of that. In this case, it all comes together under one as light gauge steel, and it really is a fantastic product to work with when you're dealing with such a difficult site.
From bushfire and flood zones to complex split level and sloping sites like this one, this is what we specialise in.
So what you see behind me is the subfloor in construction. Underneath the subfloor, we have a thing called easy piers that Spantec supply us. So rather than having to use a concrete stump or some sort of steel stump, we simply get a board pier, we make it flush to the ground, and the difference is simply made up by this adjustable pier, which makes life on site, on a site like this, so much more easy.
By delivering everything in-house backed by our experience, we provide builders with confidence and clarity, along with a smoother construction process that saves time and money.